So good morning guys. So today we are checking out from Yercaud and honestly what an amazing 2 days it's been, and the whole family and kids had such a great time here. The weather, the views and our homestay, everything just clicked perfectly. So most of the main spots are super close to where we stayed, so it was really easy to explore around. And I hope you already watched my episode 1 and 2 where I shared our full day 1 and day 2 itineraries. And if not, go and check it out them in my blog. I have already added the homestay detail in episode 1 for you guys. If you are planning a budget friendly trip, whether a solo or with a family, I would definitely recommend this place. And it's a peaceful, pocket friendly, and gives you the real hill station vibe. So today, after checking out our first stop, we're going to be a Yercaud chocolate factory. We will see how they make those delicious chocolate and all different flavors they have got. And on our way back to Chennai, we will be visiting the Murugan Temple, a beautifully and powerful place. Just you shouldn't miss. So stay tuned till the end. I will be showing the temple beauty and few more glimpses from our trip before we wrap up our Yercaud trip. So we have just reached the chocolate factory. It is actually pretty close to our homestay. So let's head inside and check out the flavors and varieties they have got. I heard this place is quite popular. Most visitors make it a point to stop by here. And from what the locals say, the prices are quite reasonable too. So let's see what we can find there. So this is actually a small factory. Looks like they prepare all the flavors and pack the chocolates right here itself. And you can see a little machine here. That's where they mix the flavors before packing different varieties for sales. Pretty cool to see how it is all made locally. So she mentioned that one of this machine is used to mix cocoa powder with chocolate, and while other one is preparing with the chocolate. It is really nice to see how everything is freshly made right here. Simple setup, but the aroma of chocolate fills the whole place. So you can also spot a coffee grinder here, and they freshly grind the beans and pack the powder right on the spot, ready for sale. I picked some chocolates, coffee, and even packed a tea powder to take back to home. Perfectly a little souvenir from Yercaud. So my next stop is at Muthumalai Murugan Temple, not far from Salem. This temple is quite special because it has 146 feet tall Murugan statue. And yes, it is taller than the famous 140 feet one in Malaysia. And the statue was consecrated in April 2022. And the person who created this statue is the same person who created in Malaysia. And you can do a general darshan here for free. And they even have a lift if you want to see closer view of the statue, and that costs a little of course. And the timing is typically 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. So if you come early, you will get to see the best light. And it is very peaceful spot, very grand, and definitely something you can't miss on your way back. And I'm excited to show you how it looks up the close view. So this is the place, looking amazing, right? So this grand Murugan statue was built recently around 2022, and guess what? It is said to be even taller than the famous Batu Caves Murugan statue in Malaysia, which stands at 140 feet, and this one is 146 feet. So the idea behind building this massive statue was to give devotees here in Tamil Nadu a chance to experience the same divine grandeur without having to travel abroad for a Murugan darshan. So this temple is actually located in the Pudiragondam Palem village near Attur in the Salem district of Tamil Nadu. And the temple is dedicated to Lord Murugan, the Hindu god of war and victory. And trust me, the first thing you will catch your eye is that massive 146 tall statue of Murugan, standing tall above the foothills. It truly looks majestic. And as you move towards the temple, you can also see a beautiful statue of Lord Ganesha at the foothills, blessing everyone who enters. It's like his divine permission before we move up to seek the Murugan's darshans. And the entire atmosphere here feels calm and spiritual, surrounded by hills, greenery, and gentle wind flowing through. And the temple architecture looks so fresh and grand. And the temple's outer wall features detailed carving sculptures depicting mythological stories, and these works showcase the artisan skill and the temple's beauty and sacredness. And the main temple is located in the uphills where most of the regular puja take place. However, at this statue, the puja is believed to be performed on the whale, and devotee can take a lift for a nominal charge and also able to perform abhishekam to the whale in this statue, I guess. So visiting this temple is not just about darshan, it's an experience. From the towering statue of Lord Murugan to the serene foothills blessed by Lord Ganesha, every corner exudes the peace and the spirituality, surrounded by the hills, greenery and gentle breeze. It's a place where you can pause, reflect and soak in the divine energy. Truly a visiting here leaves you feeling uplifted, refreshed and spiritually connected. So I hope you enjoy this journey with me. Share your thoughts in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Until the next time vlog, Sandeep is signing off. See you soon.